Are you looking for a budget case? Today we are going to take a look at the case from AeroCool. It is going to be a budget case. Name of the model is Hive FRGB. It's a mid-tower case. And I welcome you to Gamingtech. Case comes with a glass side panel that we will see, but first we're gonna unbox. This is the manual that comes with it, exactly in this condition. Fairly simple procedure, just turn the case upside down, that's about it. We have protective nylon as well. The thickness of the tempered glass is 4 millimeters. Since this case comes with the glass side panel to showcase the inside of your system very nicely. Let's remove the nylon. We have a carbon fiber print, as you can see slightly from the edges. I'm removing the 4 screws here. There's a rubber grommet also. And that's how case looks. These are the rubber grommets. You need to be careful with those because I ended up pulling them. They're not that hard glued. Our accessory bag with some zip ties and screws for motherboard standoff. One thing I didn't like here is the Molex style of fan connection. But then again, this case cost $35. I will be specifying also the RPM of the fans. Side panel, how tall the case is. Since RGB is fixed here, we cannot change. Case comes with 4 fans. We're gonna remove the side panel so we can see how we can cable route tumbler screws. Would have been nice, but then again, maybe I'm expecting too much from a $35 case. It's a solid metal sheet. There are some holes to do nice cable management here. We see a hard drive cage there that supports 2 hard drive slots or 2 SSDs. We have a dust filter for convenient cleaning and maintenance. That's how it looks like. And here we see the carbon fiber print. It looks very nice actually. Like I said before, you need to be careful with those rubber grommets. They can come off very easily. So I highly suggest that you use a stronger glue. Our ports, power and reset, audio and microphone jack, and our USB ports. I like the case, to be honest. For people who are looking to save some cash seriously, this is a solid choice. Sadly, the case doesn't come with a remote control where we can control the RGB. That would have been a cool feature, because I remember Colink was doing this, but they increased their price. I'm talking about Colink Observatory, and it costed $50, I think. Back in time. Here are the specifications of the fans. They're extremely quiet, not bad fans at all. Front of the case is detachable, so it's very easy to remove. Our cables, our hard drive cage. 193 centimeter is the supported PSU length. CPU cooler is supporting up to 157 and the graphic card up to 317mm if you don't install front radiator. We got a dust filter underneath as well. This is our Molex connection. AeroCool is using the slogan "Save money, build better." That's exactly what I did with this build. We have a budget card here from EVGA 3060 Ti. You can also add additional cooling for your graphic card, so 2 of them underneath the graphic card would fit 12mm. Doing maintenance on this case is easy. You can remove the front panel, top dust filter, removable top and bottom dust filters for convenient cleaning and maintenance. As you see, I put a 240 radiator here. I wanted to initially have it on the top, but sadly, because of the spacing and the fan's length, it wouldn't fit there. It can fit if you modify the case though. We have a mini ITX system installed in the case, and this is how the case looks. I think it's a great case for people who are extremely tight on budget. Great thermals, great overall case. I have no complaints about it. It feels slightly cheap once you fiddle around with it, but from the distance it makes you look like, wow, that case has some different mesh, looks nice, RGB is nice. Good job, AeroCool. Thank you for watching this unboxing of this AeroCool computer case and installment of the graphic card. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!